Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now we'll walk you through making the right purchase, cost per cycle, safety certifications, and how to pick your vendor. Long cycle life cuts cost per cycle for daily use. LFP handles frequent charging and discharging very well. In daily use, such as home solar storage or delivery routes, the cycle count stays high for years. Spreading the upfront cost over more cycles lowers the cost per cycle and improves payback. Lower system costs, simpler cooling, BMS, and safety gear. Because LFP runs cooler and stays stable, systems may use less aggressive cooling. That can mean smaller chillers, fewer ducts, and simpler airflow paths. You still need a solid BMS and safety systems, just with fewer heavy add-ons and less complexity. Service, warranty, and second life value. Long life supports stronger warranties and more predictable service plans. When the first use ends, many LFP packs still have useful life left. They can shift to less demanding storage roles, which raises resale value and helps with recycling plans. Safety best practices and standards for LFP battery modules. Key safety standards to verify: UL 9540A, UL 9540, IEC 62619, UN 38.3. Look for UL 9540A test reports to understand fire behavior and spread. UL 9540 covers complete energy storage systems. IEC 62619 addresses safety for cells and batteries in industrial use. UN 38.3 is required for safe transport. Vendors should share current certificates on request. Module design features that protect you. A good BMS guards against overcharge, over-discharge, overcurrent, and high or low temperatures. Quality modules include fuses, vents, pressure relief, and fire barriers. Sturdy enclosures with proper IP ratings help block water, dust, and impact. Installation tips for homes, fleets, and data centers. Mount modules in approved locations and keep required clearances. Allow airflow and avoid heat sources. Follow local codes and manufacturer guides. Label equipment for first responders. Train staff, run regular checks, and log events for quick service. Emergency and end of life, handling, shipping, and recycling. Plan for safe shutdown procedures and keep first responder info on site. Store damaged modules in a secure, cool area. Use compliant packaging for transport. Choose certified partners for recycling or second life use, and keep records for audits and insurance. The message is simple. LFP battery modules bring a strong mix of safety and low total cost for homes, fleets, and large energy storage. The chemistry stays stable, the cycle life is high, and system needs can be simpler. You trade some energy density, but you gain reliable daily performance and value over time. Quick checklist. Confirm certifications. Compare cost per kilowatt hour and cost per cycle. Review cycle life and warranty. Check cooling needs and enclosure ratings. And match pack size to your space and range goals. Next step. Request quotes from 2 or 3 certified vendors. Run a total cost of ownership comparison for the full planned life, then choose the option that fits your site and budget. You're now equipped to compare, choose and install LFP modules with confidence. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.